Took me a long time, but I got there in the end. Yeah. It's getting a bit dark actually. Look. Well, it's not really that dark now, but soon it'll be. Yeah. Fucking hell. Yeah. Hopefully bloody Bigfoot doesn't show up. Because that would suck if he just came out and grabbed me. Another sip of lemonade. Oh, that was good. Pardon me. Ah, Jesus. It's kind of slippery, so I'm just going to go over to the cross here. It's not going to do much, but whatever. Yeah, so sorry I'm being able to upload for a while. I would use school as an excuse, but I've just been bloody lazy and whatnot. It's a fucking nightmare. What's worse is I have to hold my phone while also coming down this. It's that bloody steep. But other than that, got a nice waterfall over here. Then we have the dark side of the thing. Yeah. Jesus, I'm gonna cross this now. Well, just crossed it. And I'll switch mine. This shit reminds me of Lord of the Rings. I'm pretty sure that's not Lord of the Rings. Would be pretty cool if they actually use a set. Well, probably just be annoying of all paths, to be honest. It took me like 20 minutes just to get up here. It's actually pretty good as well. Because I think I was managed to bin a lot off, but that's not really the subject of the video right now. Fuck. It's lost. You thought wearing trainers was a good fucking idea. Good fucking idea, I mean. I talk like I'm fucking drunk. Jesus. This is actually taking a lot on my phone. So what am I gonna do? Let's just climb this thing down and see how well it goes. Fuck. Yeah, I kicked that rock. It's not like landslide. Well, it is, but yeah, another waterfall. And my finger was still covering the lens. We got some nice sun over there, so yeah, that's ah shit. Alright, how am I gonna get across this? So I guess oh shit. Actually no, it should be that wet. Epic leap of faith. But yeah, what I'm gonna do, since we've got like 6 minutes of good footage, I guess, so I'm gonna leave this video here, and I'll hope to see you all next time. Bye bye.